Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to show your latest follower. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate that. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is head over into your Twitch or any website that you want to use, go to your channel dashboard or whatever it is where it is that your follower count is going to be. And then from there, in Twitch, this should be your stream manager. As you see, it's my activity feed. And since I just want to choose the latest follower, I would unclick all and then just do followers. And then from there, I can pop out my activity feed. And then you just want to go ahead and get the URL to the feed that your followers are coming into. Okay. And now that, okay, let me pop it back out. Did I even get the whole thing? Let me make sure. Okay. Copy it, and then I'd go over to my OBS where I want it to be. Do plus. On my sources, go to browser. Okay. And then just go ahead and put in that URL. And then once I log in, my followers will go ahead and appear right here. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a Twitch tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.